Funding your account with Korapay is very, very quick. The first thing you want to do is to have your MT5 account created, and you want to proceed to funding this account. So on your dashboard, you want to click on deposit funds at the top here, or on the left hand side under fund, you will click on deposit funds. Now, when the page loads up, you want to select the account you want to fund. So if you have multiple accounts, you want to select the account that you want to fund, deposit from. On this drop down, you want to click on Korapay. So Korapay is a payment solution for direct bank transfer for clients in African nations like Nigeria. So you want to click on continue, and you want to go through the steps. The deposit amount, either in Naira or in your currency, or here in US dollar. So if you want to deposit $100 US, put 100 there. Automatically the exchange rates will be calculated, and this will be how much you need to pay to get instantly funded. Click on continue. So you just want to keep going through the steps. It's a fairly easy process. And the amazing thing about Korapay is the instant funding. So as soon as you make the bank transfer, in less than 5 minutes upon confirmation, your MT5 account will be funded immediately. Okay, so this is the confirmation, and then you click on continue. And after you do this, you'll be taken to the page where you need to, you'll be given the bank account to make a transfer to. So let's wait for that page to load up real quick. So this is the page that's going to load up. This is the Korapay checkout page. So you can pay with your debit card, or you pay with bank transfer, or you pay with bank. Usually, if you have a debit card, just select this, and then you'll be asked to put in your card details, and then you make payment with your card immediately. To pay with bank transfer, you simply click on yes, I understand, and you'll be given a unique bank account to make a transfer to. Okay, this is Sterling Bank. This is the account number. Ensure that you make that transfer within this time limit, within 1 hour, and it is a one-time account. Do not use this account again once you've used it once. Okay, so once you've done that, immediately this is confirmed, your account is going to be credited with this amount.